9 months after documents were filed to end their marriage, Kevin Costner and his ex-wife Christine Baumgartner have settled their divorce and finalized the judgment. The warring exes have signed and filed with the court a marital settlement agreement, according to legal documents obtained by TMZ. As Baumgartner filed divorce documents back in May 2023, the case is now considered done. California has a waiting period of 6 months for divorce finalizations, and Baumgartner's filing was done 9 months ago. As of now, the settlement details remain unknown. However, TMZ reports the couple's prenup was validated by the judge. Costner and Baumgartner both sought joint custody of their 3 children, and Baumgartner is receiving $63,209 a month in child support from her ex. The settlement was signed by Costner, Baumgartner, and their lawyers Laura Wasser and Marissa Bui. The former couple have also decided to waive co-parenting classes, which are normally required. Baumgartner filed for divorce from Costner after 18 years of marriage last year. Following a bitter battle, Costner and Baumgartner reached a divorce settlement in September 2023. The former couple welcomed 3 children during the course of their marriage: Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. After a 2-day hearing, Baumgartner was awarded $63,000 a month in child support, a much lower amount than the $165,000 she had requested. Last month, it was revealed that Baumgartner had begun dating their former neighbor Josh Connor, who is also divorced and a father of 3 children. However, it has since been reported that Costner had suspected that something was going on between Christine and Josh, a source informed Us Weekly in an article published last month. The insider also added that the new couple's close bond was a real elephant in the room. Last year in May, Baumgartner notably filed for divorce from the Hollywood star after nearly 19 years of marriage and cited irreconcilable differences. She has since moved on with the financier and former neighbor after the pair were first spotted together during a trip to Hawaii last year in July. In December, Costner was also linked to singer Jewel 3 months after reaching a divorce settlement. The source also told Us Weekly that since the Oscar winner has also moved on, Christine doesn't think Kevin has anything to complain about. Josh has been Christine's rock throughout the divorce ordeal. If Kevin has a problem with that, that's on him, and also noted that the couple's close friendship had turned romantic relatively recently. In the midst of their divorce proceedings back in August 2023, Kevin claimed that he does not know for a fact if Baumgartner had extramarital affairs, but stated that he had been faithful during their marriage. In a legal request for order obtained by People at the time, the mother of 3 had asked for further documentation to prove Costner's finances. Some of the requests included expenses paid by you or any person at your request or on your behalf relating to any extramarital romantic relationships. In response, the star's legal team stated that the request was propounded only for purposes of harassment, is overbroad as to time period and subject matter, burdensome, oppressive, and impermissibly compound. Costner and his team also added that he does not know for a fact if Christine engaged in any extramarital romantic relationships before separation, and, if so, whether she spent any of his money or charged any expenses in furtherance of her affairs on credit cards he paid. The star's attorneys stated Kevin has no responsive documents for extramarital romantic relationships in which he engaged because he engaged in none. According to the outlet, New York matrimonial and family law attorney Marilyn B. Chinitz explained that Baumgartner's request was not unusual. While in court that same month in August, she had denied dating the investor but admitted to receiving a loan of $20,000 from Connor. She explained that she had already paid back $10,000 while the other half had been given to her parents, but stated she would pay the rest back to Connor as well. In January, 4 months after the divorce settlement, DailyMail.com revealed that Baumgartner had moved on with Connor. She had been spotted dropping off her new boyfriend at his own Montecito home in her sleek, black Range Rover following a short getaway.